Hello everyone. So in today's question we'll see what is const, let and var. So basically these are the three variables with which types which we can declare the variables. So these are the three types of variables we have. So basically var is the one which is from the starting until ES6 this was being available with us. Okay, so var is the one which is available till ES6. After ES6 it was being recommended not to use var. We will be using let and const throughout the course also and throughout the journey. So basically where we have we will be avoiding to use. Apart from this, we have this where the base difference of the where keyword. It is let's first talk about the where keyword. So why the where keyword is declared as a functional scope, so or a global scope. So when it is declared as a functional or global scope, in that case we can reinitialize it n number of times. Like let's say if I declare this var as var a is equal to 5, so I can again reinitialize this same var a is equal to 8. So this can be possible. Okay, this can be possible with var. So as it is a functional scope and a global scope. So functional scope means that the var is only available within the function it was declared. So let's say if this is declared in any of the function, so in that only it will be available. Okay, now let's talk about let one. So this is a functional scope that we got to know. Now let is a keyword which is declare the block scope local variable. So block scope local variable means we have the option to reinitialize, but by overriding it. Means if I'm going to put this let a is equal to 6, then my a value can be modified to 8 also, but I cannot it should be go via overriding only. I cannot use again like let a is equal to 6, and again if I use let a is equal to 8, in that case it will throw error. Fine. So this is the let variable, and this is the block scope. It is not a global or functional scope, it is a block scope. Now next the third type is constant. So const variable is used to declare the constant value whose value is not going to change at all. This is again a block scope. But still the value of this const, the variable which is being declared with const, is not at all going to change throughout the program. Okay, let's go to rapid and solve few of the variables. So if I'm taking one example of here I am having variables. I'm using the same thing again and again, means same each variables. So let's say if we are having variable, means if I'm going to declare this var is equal to 5. Okay, and again if I'm going to use this a is equal to 10. Okay, and now let's say console. Now let's we get this console dot log, and here I'm just going to print my a. In that case, if I'm going to run this, I got 10, right? I got 10 means it can able to reinitialize also. Now let's take one more example with let. So I'm just going to copy this again. So what I'm doing is I will be taking a different variable, which is okay. We could have written it directly. Okay, no issues. So let b is equal to 5 or let b is equal to 10. In that case, if I'm going to use this b, right, so this will not allow me to do this, because it will throw error, right? Because I cannot redefine, this is already declared. I cannot redeclare this. So once it is declared, I cannot redeclare. If it is declared with let, I cannot redeclare. So I can just remove this, then it is allowing me, means I can reinitialize the value with overriding. By overriding, I can reinitialize the value. So you can see it is 10, and here also it is 10. Let me make this as 19. So if I'm doing this, you can see it is 10 and this is 19. So basically I can able to redeclare with where. Here I am not able to redeclare, I can only reinitialize. Here I can redeclaration is also available, and reinitialization is also there. Now let's take one more example with const. So if I'm declaring const c is equal to 99, okay, and if I am going to again do with const, so here the redeclaration is again not possible. So 98, and let me take this console dot log. In this case, if I'm going to use c, right, so this is, first of all, it is already declared, so this will not allow me. So this is already declared. Okay, now let's say if I'm not declaring, I'm just assigning the value, reinitializing it. So as it is declared as constant, so reinitialization is also not possible. So assignment to constant variable is not possible. So suppose, so this is all the difference we have for var, let and const. Okay, thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.